Welcome to Unit 8.1. This is an introduction video for Chapter 8. The title is Monopolistic Competition. So for this chapter, you only have 3 videos, okay? The first one, this is Unit 8.1, which is introduction videos. The second video is for Unit 8.2. The title is What is Monopolistic Competition? And you will have the third videos, which is for Unit 8.3. The title is Price and Output in Monopolistic Competition. So after you're watching all those 3 videos, you should be able to present the related issues on microeconomics in group. Okay, so as Unit 7.1 and also Unit 6.1, you have been told that you need to do a task, which is a group assignment. Okay, so the instruction for your assignment will be explained by your course lecturer. Okay, so that's all for your introduction. Thank you. Keep watching.